This lesson is on cutting and pasting, copying and pasting, moving text. First of all, in order to cut or copy something, you have to first select it. So if I select this, I can now cut it or copy it. Your main buttons are here. So this is right on your main ribbon. You've got your cut icon and your copy. If you cut it, it temporarily disappears, and it's somewhere called the clipboard. All right, you don't see it. It's just waiting for you to paste it somewhere. So if I move my insertion point here, down here now, I can now paste it. So there were 3 steps: select, cut, move, and then paste. Now, this little button here, this little picture shows up because it's telling you have options. I can keep it the way it is, or I can match it to its destination. So if I hit match to destination now, it gets along with the area where I pasted it to. Now I'm just going to hit undo to bring that back to where it was. So I moved that. So cut and paste is how you move. You can also move something by dragging and dropping it. So I can click on this selection and I'm dragging my mouse down, and now when I let it go, I'm letting it go right here. When I let it go, it drops right there. And I also have the same option where I can say match destination formatting. So those are the 2 easy, simple ways to move something. Some people like to right click a lot, so you can select this and then you can right click and then get cut from there, and then you can move your insertion point and right click again and get paste from there. So those are 3 different ways to move something from one to another. You don't need to memorize all 3. Find one that you like and try to use it on a regular basis. Now I'm going to undo again. We just learned how to move things from one place to another. I'm going to talk about copying things from one place to another. Same type of steps, 4 steps once again. Select, but instead of cut, we're going to, of course, going to hit copy. Then you move your insertion point and you hit paste. Now we've gone on to 2 pages because the original was not deleted. So now it's taking up more room, so I'll kill this enter right there, and now we at least fit onto 1 page. Now, so that was copy and paste. You can also drag and drop the same way we dragged and dropped before. However, before you let go your mouse, put your control key down, and you'll see a little plus sign come up. You may not see it that well because of the video rendering at the same time, but I'm leaving my control key down. Let go of the mouse first, then let go of the control key, and that's another way. So it's drag and drop with the control, and that allows you to copy and paste something from one place to another. Now, just going to undo again, bring it back to the way it was. One more thing on copying and pasting. If I know that I want to copy several things, let's say that I want all 4 of these things at the bottom of this document, all right? So I would probably right away ask for my clipboard so I can see it. So there's my clipboard, and I'm going to clear the clipboard so there's nothing on it. So now I'm going to load it up with 4 things. I'm going to ask for friendly, so I'm going to say copy friendly, and then I'm going to copy reliable. So now I'm loading up my clipboard, and then I can copy fast, and I'm using right click here to copy. So I've got all 4 of those things, and then I can come down to the bottom of my document if I want, down here, or I can go lower here, and I can decide to say, you know what, paste all of those things. So now it's pasted all 4 of those items, or I could have individually selected one or the other and said paste that. So those are your different ways of moving and copying text using MS Word. A lot of these features are universal. You can use these same lessons in various other types of software.